Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zack D film-style videos with AI. First, understand the core elements of his content, like rapid-fire facts and engaging visuals. We'll explore how artificial intelligence can streamline your workflow, from crafting compelling narratives to producing high-quality audio. Get ready to transform your video creation process and achieve that distinctive, fast-paced educational style with powerful AI assistants. For scripting, AI writing assistants can quickly generate factual content, saving you hours of research. Focus on refining the AI's output to ensure it's clear, concise, and maintains a conversational, engaging tone, much like Zack D Films. Then, utilize advanced AI voice generators to produce a consistent, professional voiceover. Many tools offer various voices and emotional inflections, allowing you to match the energetic delivery needed for this video style. Visuals are crucial for keeping viewers engaged. AI art generators can create unique images and short video clips that perfectly complement your script's rapid-fire facts. Integrate these visuals seamlessly using AI-powered video editing software, which can automate quick cuts and dynamic transitions. Don't forget to add text overlays and simple animations to highlight key information, ensuring your video maintains that signature Zack D Films visual appeal and fast pace. To truly capture the Zack D Films essence, maintain a relentless pace, delivering a new fact or visual every few seconds. Always prioritize high-value, interesting information that keeps your audience hooked from start to finish. Experiment with different AI tools to find the best combination for your specific needs and workflow. Practice makes perfect, so keep creating and refining your technique. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling great, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other awesome deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.